All right, business owners, let's be real for a second. The amount of stuff that we have to deal with running a company in 2024, 2025, and beyond is absolutely immense. From actually finding the right employees to run the business to understanding how these new platforms, these new advertising structures, and all this new stuff that's happening digitally affects how we attract customers. Personally, I've been running a business now for over 15 years. I started with a restaurant. Now I run a marketing agency. You could be running a home improvement business, a restaurant, it could be an e-commerce business. It doesn't matter what it is. We all deal with the same headaches. We all deal with the same problems. We deal with people that promote things and hype up products about how to grow our business with actual no understanding of how it integrates into our company. We deal with people that want to steal our data and take our money and leverage us so that they can grow their business without us actually growing. We deal with getting locked into stupid contracts that are super long term and has all these problems when it comes to the fact that they're not producing what they promised they were going to produce. If you've dealt with any of these headaches while you're trying to grow your company, while you're trying to build your business, you're not alone. As an agency owner, I've done the same thing. We test tools every single week to find out which one's bullshit and which one's real. And a lot of them are bullshit. The real ones are the ones that actually care about how your business functions, cares about how your story is told in the market, cares about how you actually engage with your consumers. And the funniest part that nobody tells you is that the way that you can be successful with a restaurant or a home improvement business or an e-commerce business is all the same. The tools might be massive. There might be all these options out there, but there's only certain things that we really need to be successful. And luckily enough, as an agency owner, not only am I a business owner like yourself and deal with the problems of trying to grow my company, but I'm helping over 100 different businesses solve the issue of how to grow their company. And the crazy part is that we all deal with different things. We all deal with different problems and situations. But at the end of the day, it's really about how we present our business to the market and finding the ideal customers that will resonate with the message that we have and the service that we have to offer. So this video is for all the business owners out there that have been dealing with the bullshit, that have been dealing with problems, that have their data stolen, their money stolen, that they have landing pages and websites out there that are being created for them that they don't even own anymore. They have Google My Business profiles and things that have your name on it, a business that you created that you don't have ownership over anymore. And with that lack of ownership, you do not have a consistent understanding of how to grow the business because all your data is spread all over the world. This is for you guys. There's a core factor that you need in your business that will help you ensure that you have ownership of everything that you need to be successful so that you can scale and you can grow. Here at Kaizen, the reason that I built this company, the reason that I created a marketing agency after owning a restaurant, an e-commerce business, and a few other things is because I found that in this world today, there is a lack of ethics when it comes to marketing companies helping business owners. What I mean by that is that if a customer locks you into a longer than a 3-year or a 3-month contract, they're screwing you over. If a agency builds you the landing page, builds you the ad account, builds you the tracking, and you don't have access or ownership to it, they're screwing you. If the agency that you're working with does not talk about revenue, does not talk about how their efforts are actually growing your business, they're screwing you. Every branding agency is just a half-assed way of saying that I don't know how to set up advertising to bring success. I can just get you out to the market. Understand as a business owner, us agency owners, we're going through the same problems. And me personally, being a restaurant owner, an e-commerce owner, and now an agency owner, I understand the difficulties that you go to. The promise that I want to give you guys is that when you work with the right businesses, they give you ownership of everything that you need and ensure that your success can compound with or without them. Looking at Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads book is a great example of what you as a business owner should be doing with agencies like myself. Use us. Take our knowledge, take our understanding, take my 15 years of being in these stupid platforms every single day to find success and pull that from us and use it in your business and own it. And then if you understand it and you can implement it internally, take it and run with it. If you don't want to deal with the headache, you can continue to pay businesses like us. But from business owner to business owner, I feel for you. Coming into 2025, make sure you own your data. Make sure you own your website. Make sure you own your ad platforms. Make sure you own your tracking. And make sure you set yourself up to constantly compound on the success that you're finding in your business. And let's make 2025 your best year yet.